Hi guys, this is Leah. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are not going to be painting on a canvas today. Kasi we are going to paint sa paso. Yes, oo. Aming nagiging mga plantito, plantita, mga plant mom and dad. So yes, oo. And na-realize ko din na maybe some of the people are looking for designs, kung ano pwede nilang ilagay sa mga pots nila, and I am here to give you some tips or some ideas tips ka dyan, kung paano nyo pwedeng gawing aesthetic yung mga paso nyo in order for you to feel Pero alam niyo ba, personally, hindi ako nag-aalaga ng halaman. Like, ginagawa ko na talaga tong video na to because ang daming binili ng mom ko na paso. Tapos nakita ko siya sa labas ng bahay. Tapos sabi ko, why don't I paint sa mga paso? So yes, ito na. Without further ado, let's proceed. So for our first DIY na paso, ang gagamitin muna natin is the terracotta pot. Most of the time, ito yung nakikita ko na nilalagyan talaga ng halaman. So, yeah. So this is what our first DIY will look like. Ayan, papakita ko na sa inyo so that you'll have an idea kung anong itsura nung gagawin natin. And I'm gonna show you na lang the process kung paano ko siya ginawa. So for our first DIY, we are going to be needing, of course, acrylic paints. And ayan, ang gamit ko ngayon ay Sakura. And this is color gold. And for the text naman, ang gagamitin natin is black. And I'm using Pebeo for the black. And then, of course, water. Kasi pag gumagamit tayo ng acrylic, of course, kailangan may water. So water, syempre merong brush. and then, of course, mixing plate. Last but not the least, naka-cut out na text. Gumamit kami ng scan and cut for this one. And ayan, punta ka lang sa website na nire-refer nila, and then type mo lang doon kung ano yung words na gusto mo, and then yung scan and cut kailangan mo i-connect sa laptop mo, and then magpa-print na siya, and then paglabas, boom, ganito na siya. So it makes your life easier. So what you would do first is i-tape mo muna yung ilalim itong naka-usbong. Hindi ko alam kung anong basta ayan, tape mo yung ilalim. I'm just going to show it. And then ayan, pagtapos nyo nang i-paint, advance mag-isip. Pagtapos nyo na siyang i-tape, you can now paint it. And ang gagamitin natin paint ay color gold. Ayan, onti lang muna yung skin whisk ko kasi baka mamaya super sobra naman. Take mo lang yung brush na gusto mo. I want this, since malaking part siya. This is the brand Marie's. Yan, we also sell this. So kung gusto nyo bumili, check out our store. You can visit us on Facebook, it's Life and Arts. And then on Instagram, it's Life and Arts Official. And we have a website, it's lifeandarts.com. Ayan, let's start na. You just have to dip it in the water first, tap off the excess water, and then sausaw ka na sa paste mo, and then pinturahan mo na yung girl. So nice! Can you see that? Ang medyo struggle lang with this kasi medyo manipis siya. Alam mo yun, parang may nakikita pa rin na white. And you have to, pinturahan mo rin itong medyo loob. Kasi pag nilagyan mo yan ng lupa, medyo kita pa rin yung dito. So ang pangit lang tingnan kapag walang pintura yung loob. There! After that, tapos na tayo. After, di ba sobrang bilis lang? Papatuyuin mo muna siya bago mo tanggalin yung tape para sure ka na walang sasama na paints. So there, pwede na natin ilagay itong na-cut out natin na text. Sabi dito, life without you. Life with...
Papasa ka na lang, girl. Hindi mo ba kaya?
Life would be suck without you. Ang cute, diba? Pantay ba? Can you guys see it? Siyempre hindi. And just put it here. Seryoso. Because I feel like it's going to be fail. Kasi hindi ako maganda talaga magsulat. We're done with our first DIY, ganun-ganun lang, within just like 5 minutes. Tapos na natin ito, and then this one. And sobrang cute niya. It is like one of those that you will find sa Pinterest. Palagi ako nasa Pinterest. So basically, halos lahat na ginagawa ko talaga artworks. Parang gusto ko Pinterest. So, moving on to our second paso. Ang naisip ko na design dito is kind of aesthetic pa din. So, parang mga mountains siya, pero same colors, pero like gradient. So, and this is what it looks like. And papakita ko na lang yung picture para alam nyo na agad kung anong gagawin natin. And ang napili kong color is of course pink. Hello! Meron ba akong ginawa na walang pink? So, pink. I love pink. As in, sobrang love na love yung pink. Actually, paubos na nga. So, 3 klase ng pink yung gagawin ko. So, merong dark pink, medyo light pink, and then super light pink. It's so nice! I cannot! And I'm planning pala a lot of DIY for my room makeover. So, please watch out for that. Yes. Dati pa ako mahilig super talaga mag-DIY. Actually, halos lahat ng nasa room ko ngayon, puro DIY ko din yun. Ayan, we're done. And, lalagyan ulit natin ng white for the last round. Boxing. I feel like I'm gonna do more of videos na puro Pinterest inspired yung mga gagawin ko na artworks. Kasi, super nag-enjoy talaga ako. Hindi ako nasa-stress na siya. And actually, thank you. Kasi yung Pinterest ko na video thing, meron na siya 2.6k views. Thank you. Tapos yung painting na ginawa ko doon, I sold it na. And yung bumili ng painting na yun actually is yung painting ko, dinonate sa I forgot ko anong tawag dun eh. Pero may mga like COVID, yung mga PUI, ganun, or may COVID na talaga. Yung pinagsastayan nila. Dinonate dun so that para medyo ma-relax naman yung mga patients daw. Oh, thank you po. Thank you, Doc. Thank you po. We're done! I think pinturahan ko na lang to later para hindi pangit tingnan. But can you see that? Grande, sobrang cute niya lang talaga. So ayan, tapos na tayo with their second one. And we are going to move on to our third paso. So ayan. Okay, so for our third pot, ang cute lang nito. Like, ito talaga yung pwedeng lagyan ng mga succulents, ganyan. And I got this po from Kuya Janan Nolasco. If you want this, ang ganda kasi it's like semento talaga. Semento talaga siya. And ang ganda ng mga designs. I'm gonna show you later kung ano pa yung mga designs. I got this from Kuya Janan Nolasco. If you want this type of paso, you can message him on Facebook. Janan Nolasco lang yung username niya on Facebook. I think iti-tape ko pala siya. Tape. Kasi ganito yung gagawin natin. Ganda yung gagawin natin. Yan. I'm gonna show you the picture so that you know it already. So now na naka-tape na siya, pwede na natin siyang pinturahan. Ganun lang kabilis. Hello! Gawin nyo na itong DIY na to and tag me. I inspired you to do the DIY. And voila! Voila! Tapos ka na. Ayan. And then after that, of course, lalagyan ulit natin siya ng gold. Pero tape muna. And then, let's put gold. Sobrang fast lang, di ba? Siyempre, papatuyuin ulit natin. Hipan ulit. And there, this is our third pot. So, ayan. Let's move on naman sa pang-fourth. So, for our fourth pot, this is what it looks like. Palagi ko nakalimutan. Yan. So, this is the glue that I'm using. It's cute din. Favorite ko din ito. And of course, now that we're done again with this fourth pot, so ang bilis lang ito. Papatuyin muna natin siya bago natin lagyan yung gold. So, basically, hihipan ko na naman siya. There! Sana hindi ako lumampas talaga, Lord. So, we're done, finally. It's so cute. Pero, it's kind of not so girly and not so... Pero ang cute niya pa rin. Because of the gold. Yung gold talaga yung nagdadala in everything. For this, kailangan mo ng circle. Kasi ganun yung itsura. Ganyan. And you're gonna be needing black. And right after that, pwede na natin tanggalin. And syempre, hindi perfect yung circle natin. I'm just going to fix that later. We can now move on with the gold. Look. Look how cute this is. Diba? Ang cute. Ilang minutes lang yun, parang 3 minutes lang yata. Parang 3 minutes lang yata and you have this super duper cute na interest-inspired pot. And then for our last pot, yay! This is what it looks like. Maliit lang rin, but we are going to make it look like a marble. Ito yung pinaka-inihintay ko talaga. And we are going to try it here, dito, sa lalagyan na to. So, ang kailangan mo dito is lalagyan, of course, water and nail polish. Kahit anong color na gusto mo. And yeah, kailangan mo lang siyang ibuhos. And let's just dip it. It's so cute. Ang cute. Ang cute. I got it! So nice! So there you go, guys. So ito na yung lahat ng nagawa natin na pots today, and nakita niyo naman kung paano ko siya ginawa isa-isa. This is my favorite. This is super favorite ko to. I need to label them all. Like, kailangan ko sabihin sa inyo kung ano-ano itong mga plants na to. So, this is the lucky plant. Ayan, pampaswerte, of course. And this is the fortune plant. And these are the forever rich plant. So, natandaan ko. Charot. And then, ito naman yung mga succulents. Ayan. So, ayan, that is all for this video. By the way, I'm also gonna be selling all of these, like kasama yung plants and yung paso. And if you are interested to buy, marami pa kaming paso and plants na nandun, pero hindi na kasi kasya sa frame. So, I'm gonna post it na lang on my Facebook, isa-isa, and then all of the prices are going to be there. And if you are interested, bumili na po kayo, please. I'm also gonna be doing a giveaway. Please watch out for that. I think next month. Yeah, please. All of the details are going to be posted on, August. Yung kung anong papag-giveaway ko. Pero for sure, art materials yan. So, abangan nyo talaga. Free na art materials, ayaw nyo. Comment down below kung anong favorite nyo na paso na ginawa ko. So yes, again, this has been Leah. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to be part of my journey in life, please click the subscribe button. And I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. I love you. Bye! Bye. Hello. Bye-bye. So basically, this is my first time. Tama. First time ko to, no? Nag-ganto. Naghawak na lupa.